is Hazel's Emporium. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my brand. So, for today's video, everyone, I will be collaborating to this company, Firmoo Eyewear. This is a free stock from them and exchange to my video, which is I am doing an unboxing, and I will give my own personal review and I will try this on. This is a little bit information about Firmoo Eyeglasses company, guys. Okay, so Firmoo Eyeglasses has been in the market since 2009. Isn't it so impressive, right? Yes, you heard that clearly. Firmoo Eyewear is into market since 2009, and they do have a very trendy, affordable eyewear eyeglasses, named the glasses that you needed to our everyday for both men and women. Okay, they also have a kids eyeglasses. So this is what we really need in this time of summer. The blue light blocker, which Firmoo has it. Progressive eyeglasses, which is very important. We can use that to close and to far distance. That's the progressive works. And there is another one, sports glasses. Yes, we can use this kind of glasses even though we are playing of any sports that you are engaged with. Glasses accessories. Yes, that makes us more beautiful. Okay, so there are lots of glasses accessories. I will put all the link and information below in this video, okay, for your preference, guys. I also have a promo code that you can use. Okay, that's very helpful. I know inflation is here big time, so that helps a lot to save more money. Okay, please go check below in this video. I will put all the information about Firmoo Eyewear. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, please see me more in my unboxing and in my try on to this. Thank you so much. Well, in this case, I will use my scissor to unbox this. Please careful when using scissor, okay? Anything that is sharp, please careful, okay? Can't really wait to open up this and to try this on. Ta-da! Oh, sideways. Sorry about that. So, here this is. I can't really wait to try this on and replace my eyeglasses now, okay? So please stay with me and let's try this on. Oh, so I have this one. I can't wait to replace my eyeglasses to this, okay? So mine is progressive, guys. Okay, so let's replace this one. Oh my goodness. What do you say? Isn't it so pretty? Right? I choose this kind of frame, guys. This is my choice. And very light. I like this very light material. Isn't it gorgeous, right? Thank you so much, Firmoo, for this. I love it. I will use this definitely in my schooling. Gorgeous, eh? What do you say? I love it. Super. Thank you so much for this Firmoo Eyeglasses company. Final check in this. Life begins with coffee, and so with my eyeglasses. Every day I have always my eyeglasses with me. Since I got Firmoo now, I will be using Firmoo every day in my everyday daily life. Thank you so much, Firmoo. You give me more clearer vision to my everyday. Thank you big time so much. 10 out of 10. Perfect.